This week's question of the week is about code katas. Have you heard of them? Do you have a favorite one? I like using them in teaching. I use code katas to teach others about test-driven development and testing in general. From introducing incremental changes that are covered by tests to how to test legacy code, there are a variety of testing strategies and katas out there. My teammate Scott wrote a great post about learning new programming languages and mentions code katas in there as well. So let's tackle the question. What are some of my favorite katas? When it comes to showing the potential of a kata, I like starting with FizzBuzz. The rules of FizzBuzz are fairly simple. It can be done in a short period of time. It allows people to see what you could do with a kata. I also like to show pair programming using katas, and my friend Brendan and I presented 2 workshops around testing in TDD. When we demoed the katas, we demoed them unrehearsed. This helped people to see what it's like when you're coding with someone else and bouncing ideas off of each other. Brendan would write a test, I would write the code to pass the test. Then I would write the next test, and he would have to write the code to pass it. This style of pair programming is called ping-pong pairing. For showing how testing can help with refactoring, I'm all about the Gilded Rose kata. You've got code started for the small inn that is selling items of certain qualities. There are rules for how items age over time. Then there's a rule change. However, you cannot alter the item class or item's property. I have to give a shout out to Not Myself and Terry Hughes for creating this kata. And thanks to Emily Bache for the Gilded Rose Refactoring Kata repo, which contains starting code in a variety of languages, including C#, Java, JavaScript, F#, Python, PHP, and a whole lot more. For showing test-driven development, my personal favorite is the Vending machine kata. This kata, introduced to us by Guy Royce, reminds me of my introduction to Java with Swing, building a vending machine as part of Oopslet 99's CodeFest. This kata has a specific order for features, and that helps to identify the order to write the tests, as well as then write the code to make those tests pass. And the gamer in me is all about the Legend of Zelda combat kata created by my teammate Scott. It simulates the game's item drop system. So in this kata, Scott includes rules such as always return nothing, consecutive streak bonus, the 10th enemy has the bomb, the fairy streak bonus, and the global index for non-bonus item drops. Writing code while reliving Zelda memories has never been so fun. Those are just a few of my favorite katas, but there are so many out there, each with unique lessons to teach. Whether you're using katas to learn a new language, refine your TDD skills, or just have some fun with problem solving, they're a great way to level up as a developer. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these katas? Do you have a favorite that I didn't mention? Leave a comment below and let's talk.